Hey guys, this is Moderna, mRNA, and this is a really interesting opportunity, in my opinion. I'm gonna show you why. First of all, if you watched my last video on Moderna, when we draw Fibonacci and when I showed this head and shoulder pattern, I was telling that if it was going to play out, we would have probably reached the bottom of this rectangular over here. And sure enough, we were close enough at 134. Now, this is one of the few stocks that looks to me like it's bullish at the moment. And the reason is that we have the indicators that are crossed to the bulls. Now, the MACD here, it's way below the zero line, so I expect a bounce, maybe a big bounce, but I don't expect to invert the trend just at this time. But anyway, the MACD is bullish. Then we have the RSI that is going up. Okay, so that's bullish. And look at this, the PMO. PMO is about to cross again to the bulls, although we are below the zero line. So again, big bounce, but I don't expect an inversion of the trend. Now, if we look at the moving averages, or what I use, the double exponential moving average, we have the Moderna just tested the 50 days double exponential moving average. However, the 5, let me zoom it in a little bit more so you can see. Okay, so the 5, this white line, the price closed yesterday and today above it, which is a bullish sign. The 5 is inclining and going up, and also even the 20 days double exponential moving average is now pointing to the upside. So these are bullish signs. On top of that, I want to show you why I love Fibonacci. Because if we draw from the low to the high to the higher low, we have a 161% move that we just touched and went above today. So this is great. Um, I wouldn't chase the stock at this particular time, but what I would do is I would wait for the stock to play out a little bit more. So you can see that here there is less volume, which most likely, if tomorrow we jump up, we're going to see a sell off because there isn't enough volume here. So the stock could go down. And what I would like to see is for the stock to retest this breakout. So if the stock comes down, retest that breakout, and then it jumps up, that's what I would buy to the as a long position or as a bull. And why? Because at that point, although we should wait for the price to break the previous high, if we do that, let's say that today was the high, okay, and we retest this low and then we start to move up, well, you can see that now the 161% move is going to be above or close to the previous low over here. Also, there is this gap to fill, okay, so that's what I think that the stock is going to do. It's going to retrace, retest this level, and then bounce up, and everybody's going to chase it. So maybe we'll push a little higher than 161%. And we most likely, I mean, I do believe that, and I would like to see that we're going to fill the gap at 171. It's a 20 points move, which is huge. So we'll see if that plays out. So as of right now, I'm looking at Moderna with the eyes of a bull, but I'm just going to wait once again for the stock to retest the previous high. That's it for Moderna.